you guys. Super cutie. Wow, ganda dito sa Africa. This is for you, Caleb. And this is for you, Kyrie.
Guys, pupunta na kami kay Moana! Moana!
Another
Wait! Wait! Let's go! Lunch naman tayo! So guys, kain muna kami dito. Thank you Lord! Hi guys, tapos na kami kumain. So let's go!
Ito guys, mahilig talaga ako kay Lion King. Kasi ito yung nagpayak sa akin ng movie nung bata pa ako. Nung elementary, pinalabas ko sa ano tawag dito, nung sa hall ng school namin. Naka-projector lang. Umiyak ako noon. First Lion King yun.
So nagmamadali na kami guys kasi
Don't want to miss the show!
malapit na rin mag-start. Let's go Nins! Let's go Nins!
Thank you for joining us and enjoy the rest of your day here.
Express!
Early access, let's go. Ay, hindi ano pala, premier access.
Ooh!
Ang dami namin na-skip na line.
Wow! Sobrang dami naming na-skip na line guys.
Ito agad.
Hey!
Sasakay agad.
Sakay agad! Mas short pa siya, shortcut. Ito na agad kami guys. Let's go. So, let's go guys. Saan yung gamit? Dito? Kung kaya ng bata, kaya rin ng bata. Kung kaya ng bata, mas kaya natin. Let's go guys. Wala man lang! Walang warm up! Paano mo tataas? Natatakot na ako!
Uy, Mystic Manor! Kaya yan!
Tara, let's go! Woo! Grabe yung nilakad takbo namin guys.
Sakto 355. Hindi, 54 pa nga lang eh. 1 minute to spare.
Elsa, pinagod mo kami Elsa.
Oh, it is a happy summer snow day because today we get to celebrate our connection between family, friends, and the community. We get to have parties, festivals, very good. What everyone, I think it's working. This is so exciting. Okay, we need to make sure
I can't believe that this is the same place we used to play when we were young.
you really like it.
Oh, absolutely. Some of my favorite.
Ayun guys, tapos na kami kay Elsa. So, ganun lang pala si Elsa. Akala ko may papasuhan pa kami. Isang room lang pala siya. So, pagpasok mo yun na yun. So, mag-CR muna ulit kami guys.
Sobrang naiyak ako kay Elsa. Paglabas na Elsa,
Oo nga. Kami si Kyrie.
Pero sana sobrang na-amaze siya kung makita niya si Elsa.
Yeah. Pag dinala natin dito si Kyrie na costume.
Iyak pa din ako.
Tawaran eh. Feeling ko sobrang mas magiging masaya siya kaysa sa akin.
Emotional mommy. Kyrie, ayan, pinanood ko siya for you.
At na-record naman siya ni Daddy. Papanoorin mo sa YouTube.
Yes, babawi kami sa inyo ni Kyla, promise.
Yeah.
Promise yan.
This time, Mami and Daddy muna.
Ayun na, it's my turn. Wow! Yay, thank you. Ito na guys. Super cutie. Ang cute-cute niyo. Kakainin ko na siya. Ang sarap! Ang sarap, guys! So, si Olaf is a marshmallow. Tapos, chocolate. And then, yung ice cream itself, it's a vanilla flavor, pero very light lang. So, hindi siya sobrang sweet. For the price, I think it's too expensive. 7 times 7, magkano yun? 500 pesos for an ice cream. But you're eating it here in Arundel, so I think it's okay. Express Pass. Express Pass. Express Pass. Kami lang ang bilang. Isa to sa mga kailangan sakyan pag nandito ka sa Hong Kong Disneyland, according to them. Pupunta natin. Saan ang punta natin? Pag express pass ka, guys, you have your own elevator. Ganyan ka, social si Ninyo.
Up here often, I know cost me nothing for me to hit her up when I know she wanna dance. I got all night, up and left her friends, they didn't pick a fight. Cause she know how to get it when she wanna. She know how to get it when she wanna. I've been up late, she didn't think twice. Try to look away, I caught her from the side. She can say the word and I'm a goner. Yeah, she know how to get it when she wanna. We got a spot for the hangover date. Turn it on quick, call with the coffee to chase, yeah. Still drunk, but we're feeling the same. She knows I know just where this goes. She's too cute, never owes me, yeah. It's too soon, but it's always something. Conversation, it's not complicated. I see her light up every time I say you wanna dance. I got all night, up and left her friends. They didn't pick a fight. Cause she know how to get it when she wanna. She know how to get it when she wanna. I've been up late, she didn't think twice. Try to look away, I caught her from.
Ganda.
Ay, sa ganda. Inantok ako parang ang hinele.
Ako nag-reminisce. Ba't ikaw inantok? So guys, ayan. Wala na tayong hinahabol. So we're going now to Toy Story Land kasi favorite ni Kyrie sila Woody and sila Jessie and si Buzz Lightyear. Favorite niya talaga yon. So pupunta kami doon kasi meron ding extreme rides doon. Yeah, so let's go! And thanks to our very bait na na tour guide. Ayan, so ang binili niya is merong free ice cream. Ano yun?
Ito lang yung bayad sa akin. Mamaya.
So meron tayong free popcorn and ice cream. Meron siyang pre-provide na ganun. So we're gonna go there and pick up yung ice cream natin and popcorn. So, let's go! Where is the frozen ice cream? Frozen lollipop.
Behind the Dumbo.
Oh, behind the Dumbo and over there. Okay, we'll go behind the Dumbo. Labs! So, I have my very own Mickey Mouse popcorn! The frozen ice cream pa. Oh, mamimili ka. So, magkiklaim naman tayo ng ice cream. Lollipop. I think I want the Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse. I want Minnie Mouse. Hi, can I have Minnie Mouse? I have all the snacks in the world. Thank you! Guys, look! I have it for free! Ay, binayaran pala namin. In advance. Sarap? Sobrang sarap. Matapon.
Ice cream ba ba?
Mhm. Refreshing. It's so cold. Hi, Kyrie. Look. It's her favorite character. Hi. Hi. You're my baby's favorite character. Oh my God. But she's in the Philippines. Yeah.
Alright, let's hear 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You want the solo with your most favorite character?
My daughter. Yes, it's okay. Can I just hug you then? For my daughter?
Hug for her.
Say hi, hi, Carrie, hi, Kylan. Here's Buzz Lightyear. Yes, we'll come back here, yeah. This year, December, because it's so hot. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. This is for you, Kylan. And this is for you, Kyrie. Wow! Sabi nila gagalaw to paggabi.